Hey guys, it's Sean eMiniSchool, April 22nd. Did a video yesterday on the 3-minute ES, and I just want to follow up with what the chart looks like today, continuing that move. So yesterday's video, blue bar, indicator low, big move happening. We had a sell signal here, which was our we had a sell signal here for our first sell signal on a major move, second major, then we had a minor sell signal within the whole move. Okay, blue bars that says get out. This whole move down is probably over with. We retraced up, closed. Okay, market gaps down today. We gap down, we start getting blue bars. Indicators high, saying this move down, most likely over. Our rules trail the stop to the high of the bar, get taken out automatically instead of predicting. So we got stopped here. Okay, from there, this is a very high odds low that is going to be substantial low. So from there, we pull up, we have a correction pattern, and we're going to go along the second set of greens, which is this bar right here. Okay, stop is here, and we have defined targets we go over in the course. Okay, within the major buy signal, we had a minor buy signal. Just like on the down move, we had a major sell signal here and a minor within it. We want to stick to the bigger trade though, so we don't want to get faked out on any little minor correction up in a down move, and we don't want that to skew our bigger outlook. We want to stick with the trade till the pattern completes. It's actually this level completed a pattern on our bigger chart that we do on our nightly updates for the members. So we had this level already. Blue bar just confirms that level. So pull up, long signal, stop. Okay, we want to ride it. Close below the moving average, we're stopped. We're stopped here for money management, and then we go along the next signal. Who knows if this turns red, it could come back deeper. So we want to protect our account. So, but once we get the next green signal, that's our next long. We have a sequence of signals we take at the same time, and then we stop going per the rules in our course. Okay, so market follows up. We get blue bars, indicators high. Just like down here saying this move is over down, saying this move is most likely over up. We did go a little bit higher. We would not have taken this long signal here, even though it was winter. We would not have taken that because we have a blue bar high. Just like we're not going to short this move down thinking this low is going to be broken. Bigger time frame, the more relevant the blue bars are. Okay, so went up, blue bar right at the high of the day. Bring the 10-minute real quick. And you'll notice this whole move up on the 10-minute was green. So that gives us confidence to stay long the 3-minute and only take 3-minute long signals, no short signals. Okay, let's look at NQs. Same thing, we had a really great 10-minute buy signal on the NQs. That was at 2015. Price rode up to the 2043 level. So a lot of points right there, and you'll notice blue bar right at the high of the day with that doji. So the key is sticking with the trend, and let's look at the 3-minute on the NQs while we're at it. The NQs had a cleaner signal, okay, on that than the ES. See how this was a lot of chop right here? Came down, we got a green bar up at the top of this bar. NQ is much cleaner. And see how this blue bar is also caught the low. It pulls up, comes back. A very nice green bar right there for our long signal. Very tight stop. Okay, our stop is right here. Okay, a couple ticks below this low. And our targets are always going to be above this prior high. They're up in this area. So it's very little risk for potential reward. You know, the risk was, let's say, 3 points on the NQ. The reward on the 3-minute signal was, let's say, 2013 right here in the middle. We get long, and it rides up to 2030. So up 2033. So it's 20-point long with a 3-point stop. It's a very good risk reward. So the methods we use give that risk reward. On Forex, they're even bigger because Forex trends a lot better than the futures. So it could be, a risk of 1 for 30, 40 on the forex if you can hold that long. Okay, so also just real quick, let's look at Apple, because Apple had a pretty wild move today. So look at the 10-minute, kind of the same thing. It based out. Apple was showing strength to the market because the ES and the NQs were retracing down. Okay, which here's the start of today, and Apple did not do that. Had a very minor retrace, but nothing like the overall market shows showing strength. There's our 10-minute long signal here. Okay, green bar. Stop is right here. It's very, very tight again, just like on the NQs. And that was a 7-8 point move. Okay, followed the blue bars. We would have got stopped right here. That is the high bar of the day. So just wanted to follow through with the last ES update we did and show you what today's chart looked like. See if this could help you with your trading during real-time market. Meaning if we get a long signal, after you look at these charts over and over, more videos I do, you'll see that the key is knowing what not to do, which is to go short this move. Now it does take a little bit of education to get in the trend direction, because most people are taught to trade counter trend, which we do not do. We have a very strict rule for that and a very strict time frame for that. But we don't want to short this move from here down to here. Yes, it could come down a little bit lower, but it's contained in a bullish pattern, in a buy signal. So it's better just to have the habit of always avoiding those. So hope this video made sense, and we'll follow up tomorrow and see what the chart looks like tomorrow.